Did you know AI can make your morning routine 47% more efficient? Let's explore how AI spices up daily life. It's early morning, and meet Alex, a busy professional with a jam-packed day ahead. Until recently, mornings were chaotic. Enter Alexa, not just a smart home device, but Alex's trusty morning companion. With a simple, "Good morning, Alexa," the curtains open, coffee brews, and today's weather and news headline flows smoothly, all before Alex gets out of bed. In the world of entertainment, AI takes front stage. Meet Sam, a movie buff overwhelmed by choices. Enter Netflix's AI, tirelessly learning Sam's preferences and perfectly curating the ultimate "because we know you'll love it" movie lineup. Sam's weekends are saved from the dreaded analysis paralysis. Jumping from leisure to productivity, Jenna is a freelance graphic designer juggling multiple projects. AI here acts as a digital assistant, automating mundane tasks like scheduling meetings, leaving her to dive into what she loves, creating impactful designs. Without AI, managing her overwhelming workload seemed impossible. Now let's turn to AI's culinary prowess. Our guide is the lively AI chef bot. Watch as Chef Bot hilariously assists Max, a novice cook. From suggesting recipes based on fridge contents to guiding Max step by step as he prepares his first edible lasagna. Max's journey from culinary catastrophe to proud kitchen conqueror is a testament to AI's friendly assistance. But what's the resolution? These are stories showcasing AI's transformative touch in our daily routines. AI simplifies, personalizes, and entertains. In ways humorous and helpful, AI quietly enhances our lives behind the scenes. The aha moment? Recognizing AI's powerful yet whimsical role boosts our appreciation while ensuring we savor each tech-enhanced experience. Spread the word. Share this enlightening spin on AI magic, subscribe for more, and let us know your favorite AI breakthrough below. Are you curious about what comes next in our tech-powered lives? Stay tuned.